neighborhood area like the floor of the mouth and so on. So we ask patients whenever they feel a lump or a mass coming out of the tongue or pain or any unusual symptom to see their ear, nose, throat doctor, who will diagnose any lesion by biopsy it. Biopsy is done if it came back as cancer, then this patient have the following options. If the cancer in the back of the tongue, we classify tongue into anterior 2/3, basically the anterior 2/3 of the tongue, and the posterior third is the posterior third of the tongue, basically. Tumor could come from anterior 2/3, we call it oral tongue, or posterior 2/3 or oropharyngeal tongue or base of the tongue. If once cancer diagnosed, then cancer of the tongue is very vascular, rich in lymphatic, go to the lymph nodes, and especially the base of the tongue cancer. The good news is this cancer is curable, highly curable. If the cancer is small, especially in one side, that could be removed, but if the patient does not want to sacrifice any part of their tongue, an alternative treatment is to do radiation. Radiation is done by two ways. In the base of the tongue, or the back of the tongue, radiation from outside is adequate treatment and cure majority of those cases. The oral tongue is a little bit resistant. You need to have the radiation inside the tumor. So what could be done? Either this tumor removed or then give radiation to a more generous area, or just treat upfront radiation. So if the tumor is more than 2 centimeters, we like to treat the lymphatic area plus the tumor. And that the topic of brachytherapy, or near, brachy means near, brachy, that's a Latin word, therapy, treatment, meaning we put the radiation close to the tumor. And that is done through putting catheters in the tongue, putting catheters in the tongue, and those catheters will be connected to a special machine. This special machine delivers radiation directly to the tongue, and the chance of cure is very high. Excellent. I presented our data in the American Brachytherapy Society in Toronto, and I have another presentation to do in Orlando in American College of Radiation Oncology about our data of treating tongue cancer with brachytherapy. The data is impressive, excellent outcome, and most important, the tongue function is kept. You know, if the patient, and I'm sure sometimes we see it, the patient with cancer, they go for surgical treatment, the tongue is taken out. That's not wrong, but the problem with that is the function of the tongue is lost. So what we're trying to, and recently trickling paper like our data in the literature, especially if the tumor is small, for very advanced cancer, when the tumor wall to wall, tongue is fixed, this treatment will not help. And the treatment will not be as effective. That's why we ask patients. Again, patient is an important part of the equation of cancer cure. They need to identify any unusual area in the tongue to their doctor. And before that, there is a step ahead of that. They need to stop smoking and drinking. Prevention is better than cure. Stop smoking, stop drinking. If you got any lesion in the tongue, go immediately to your doctor, because he will biopsy it. Once it is biopsied and we know it is early, the chance of cure is very, very high. And you have the option, either have it removed surgically, or if you don't want surgical interference with your tongue, then you would have brachytherapy. Brachytherapy treatment is a treatment of radiation, give equal result to surgery by putting catheter inside the tongue for a couple of days, 2 to 3 days, depending on the size of the lesion and so on, and patients stay in the hospital and they treated morning and afternoon twice a day for 4 to 6 days depending on the size of the tumor. Then those catheters are taken away. Those patients are cancer free basically, and they keep their tongue function. The taste is not compromised. The entire function of the tongue is kept. So the movement, the talking, the taste is kept after brachytherapy with excellent chance of cure. So radiation is excellent alternative to surgery for tongue cancer simply because we preserve the function. As I mentioned earlier, the main advantage of radiation is preservation of the function of the organ without compromise of cure. For tongue specifically, it requires special treatment called brachytherapy, and as I mentioned, myself and others published their data, presented their data, and it's very impressive data. The chance of cure is extremely high and the quality of life is excellent. The tongue mobility is very good. Patients need to be on top of it. So those cases we see early, the cure is very high, exceed 90%. But those patients where they ignore it and the cancer keep growing, became so painful and keep fixed to the floor of the mouth, to the neighborhood area, the chance of cure is not even high. The chance of cure probably is not curable, because cancer of the tongue is aggressive cancer, and the tongue is rich in lymphatics. It's spread to the lymph area. The tumor biology, it's very aggressive. The good news is not common cancer, thanks to God, but we see it, you know. We see 2 to 3 every year. Those patients who got it, they need to have the right option for their treatment. If they elected to go for radiation, that especially for early lesions, they keep their tongue, the function is not lost. And I need to emphasize again that with brachytherapy, the dose delivered directly to the tumor, give good dose to the tumor, spare neighborhood issue, neighbor head area like salivary gland is not touched with this treatment, so they keep the function of the normal tissue is not compromised, because brachy means near therapy, near treatment, means the treatment is in the tongue, in the tumor. Out of the tongue, the dose is extremely small, it doesn't cause any harm. So we preserve normal tissue, we cure the cancer. Patient need to stop smoking and drinking, and a lesion need to be diagnosed early. An alternative to surgery is brachytherapy, and the results are excellent, similar to surgery, and the outcome is perfect. Patient preserve their function.